Business English Dialogue. Exhibition. Conversation 1. Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, I was wondering if you had the time to show me around this exhibition.
I'd be glad to, sir, but may I ask what line of business you are in?
I'm in the electrical appliances.
I see. Would you be interested in seeing the audiovisual products? They are made by our company.
Thanks, they are rather attractive, but I think there is nothing better than seeing things in actual operation.
Yes, of course. Would you like to make an inspection tour of some factories?
Yes, very much. If it wouldn't add inconvenience to you, first-hand information is always more valuable than reading pamphlets.
I'll make the arrangement and let you know the time tomorrow.
That would be great.
Conversation 2. Hello. You're welcome to Guangzhou Fair.
Thank you, I'm from America. Here is my business card.
Glad to meet you, Mr. Smith. My name is Wang and here is my name card. I'll be glad to do what I can for you.
Great. This is my first visit to the fair. Everything is new to me. Would you please give me some information?
Glad to. The fair is a big gathering taking place twice a year. Thousands of businessmen from more than 150 countries and regions are here to trade with China. Ours is a company special in exporting leather products. And what about yours?
My firm has high standing in my country. My bank is the Citibank, New York. You may refer to it for my status.
General inquiry. Conversation 1.
We are interested in some precision machine tools. We have some inquiries on hand.
That's fine. We can supply all kinds of precision machine tools. Our products are much admired in the world market and enjoy a wide acceptance in modern industry.
Can I have a look at your catalog and the corresponding technical data?
Why, of course, here are some that will show you our latest development. You may select whichever you need.
I think our users have the impression that your prices are always much too high, compared with those of other supplies.
Excuse me, it's true that our products do cost slightly more than the other makers, but it's only due to our technological superiority.
Your products may have certain advantages, but your prices are too stiff.
If you give us your inquiry, I shall go very carefully into the price, and try my best to put you on the best of the terms.
Okay, I'll come back to discuss it to some details after our users have studied your catalogs and price list.
Yes, surely, we hope to do some substantial business with you. Conversation 2.
We're interested in your drawn works. What about the supply position?
For most of the articles in the catalog, we have good supply.
Here's our inquiry list. You'll find the required items, specifications, and quantities all there.
Thanks, I'll look into it and let you have our firm offers tomorrow.
Don't need to remind you that the market has become very competitive.
You'll find our prices very favorable.
That's fine. By the way, do you quote FOB or CIF?
Either can be done, though we usually quote on CIF basis.
Then would you please make your prices CIF including 5%?
Certainly, we can work them out for you. Bargain. Conversation 1. We have made some adjustment on the prices, and this is renewed price list.
Thank you for allowing us 3% reduction, but still, we find your price is on the high side.
This is our rock bottom price, and we can't make any further reduction.
If so, we find it difficult for us to go on with our talks.
Then what's your counteroffer?
This is our counteroffer.
We are sincere to make business with you, but the difference between your counteroffer and our price is too great.
So are we. Our counteroffer is in line with the world market.
How about meeting each other halfway in order to conclude the business?
Agreed.
Conversation 2. What do you think of our price?
Your price has gone up sharply, hasn't it?
Yes, we regret we cannot maintain our original price. Since the prices of the raw materials have been raised, we have to adjust the price of our products accordingly.
I'll agree with you there, but your price is unreasonable.
I don't think so. You must compare our price with that of other export houses. I'm sure our offer is in line with the prevailing market price level.
I don't think we'll be able to pay the price. To have this business concluded, you need to lower your price at least by 3%.
I'm afraid that there is no room for any reduction in price.
Don't you agree with me that in the long run, moderate prices will bring about large sales and more profit?
We've already cut down our price to cost level.
Is that all?
Yes, this is the best we can do.
I'm sorry we can't handle the price you offered.
Quality. Conversation 1. I can promise you that, if you buy our product, you will be getting AL quality.
I've looked at your units, and I am very happy with them. Your goods are all far above standard quality.
We spend a lot of money to make sure that our quality is much better. We won't sacrifice quality for quick profits.
Well, we're really interested in placing an order under negotiation. We can start the negotiations as soon as you want.
That's great. I'm glad we'll be able to do business together. I'll have some quotations ready for you by tomorrow morning.
Fine as well. Would you mind if I asked to see the Lloyd's Surveyor report of your products? I may have a few more questions about your quality analysis.
Conversation 2.
How can I be sure your products are of superior quality, as you promised?
One of the reasons for our good quality products is because of our quality inspection system, which is the best of its kind.
But a quality inspection system does not mean that each unit will always be up to the standard.
We have trained analyzers to do quality analysis at the end of each part when we make the product. This means that no mistakes are made.
Your salesman also told me that each worker is trained to do quality analysis. Can you tell me a little about that?
Certainly, we provide quality analysis training as part of the training for all new workers, plus a week of further training every year. Quantity. Conversation 1. How much tea are you going to order?
We want to order 3,000 cases and hope to deliver the goods into equal lots.
When do you want to deliver the goods?
We'd like you to execute the first delivery by June 30th and the second delivery by August 15th.
I'm sorry, but June 30th is quite soon. I can't guarantee 1,500 cases. I'd prefer the first shipment to be 1,000 cases and the next 2,000 cases.
I can agree to that.
Let me affirm this again, the first shipment of 1,000 cases, to be delivered in 27 days, by June 30th, and the second shipment of 2,000 cases by August 15th, right?
Right.
Well, if there's nothing else, I think we've settled everything.
Let's hope it's the beginning of a long and prosperous relationship.
Conversation 2. How many do you intend to order for our shirts?
What's the minimum quantity of an order for your goods?
We are not interested in small orders. I suggest you order at least 2,000 dozen.
No problem, we want a minimum of 1,000 dozen of men's shirts and a minimum of 3,000 dozen of embroidered shirts. Can you guarantee continuous production and adequate supply?
Yes, of course, we have enough productivity, you can rest assured.
And for such a big quantity, you should give us a discount.
Sure, we can reduce our price by 10%.
That's great.
Order. Conversation 1.
We like your product and are interested in placing an order with you as soon as possible.
Well, we can proceed with the order until after the Christmas holidays. Our factories will be closed for another week.
That's all right. We will send you a purchase order in 1 week. I hope you will be able to take care of it.
No problem. Once we get your purchase order, we will begin the execution of the order right away.
Thanks, we need the products in less than 1 month because we have a big deal with another company. By the way, will payment against delivery be okay?
That will be fine, and I can promise you that you'll get the goods about 2 weeks after we get your purchase order. Conversation 2. We will carry out the order when the purchase order gets here.
Good, and because this is our initial order and your products is so new, we would like to make a deal with you.
Well, actually in most cases, we don't talk about special deals, but since this one is so new, I will listen to what you have to say.
We want to make this a trial order. If we can sell all the products in 2 months, we will pay for them. If not, we will send them back to you.
I can't agree to that. My company will have to pay for both sending them and bringing them back.
We promise that if the products are sold out in 2 months, we will place a repeat order right away at the same quality.
Okay, I agree, but the repeat order can't have the same terms. Commission. Conversation 1.
We do business on commission basis.
We usually allow no commission. If your order is large enough, we'll consider it.
We usually charge a commission of 10%.
It's too high. If calculated into the price, the goods are difficult to sell.
Then how many % commission do you allow us?
If your order for the goods exceeds 10,000 sets, we'll give you 5% commission.
The season for your goods is over. We'll spend a lot of money in pushing the sales.
We'll give you another 1% to make up for the expenses in pushing the sales. Conversation 2.
What price do you suggest for 300,000 sets of article number 23 with London as the destination port?
Let me see, it's 800 per set CIF London.
What commission terms can you offer?
Usually, the commission is 3% of the net invoice amount after deduction of discounts.
Couldn't you raise the commission to 5%?
Considering our good relationship and our future business, we give you 4%, that's the best we can do, we can't go any further. What would you say to it?
Then I'll accept it with thanks.